Hello dear subscribers. Today I will tell you how you can fix this error. Here you can see when you're trying to start up your system. So when grub loader is a Linux loader, and when it just upload your switch between Windows and Ubuntu, so all the list of your available system you can run, it says grub open command line and set error no such partition grub rescue. So how we can fix it? So I also haven't Ubuntu or some Linux system here on my computer. That's why I showed you from terminal what you need to run in this grub rescue. So I won't run it, but I also write commands which you need to write. So first you need to write ls and just click enter after you write it. So it will show you all your partitions on your disk, and you just choose partition in which you install your Ubuntu or Linux system, and just after you see the system where you install your Ubuntu, you need to run set root. It means that main root in Ubuntu and Linux is main system, and here you just write your partition from ls. From first command you run, you will see what partition you need here to run to write. It's partition in which you also install your Linux. So for example, I will write some, for example this one. So it's first command you need to run, second command, and third command you need to run, it's set prefix. And here you write your partition again, the same partition you write in second command. For example, I will write you some of my partition. So this one command, and just click enter. And the so I forget because in third command, this previous set prefix, I forget to add some words. So I will write you again. Backslash boot and grub. So here, so just write like this, and after this you need to write ins mod normal, and just click enter. If it doesn't say anything, it's mean that everything okay, but if you have error you can try it again. So after you do it, just restart your computer, and I hope that everything will work. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.